In the meantime, former 100-meter world record holder Asafa Powell believes a delay at the start of the Blue Ribbon event in Paris contributed to Kishane Thompson not winning the title. Thompson copped silver in 9.79 seconds, but lost by 0.05 of a second to American Noah Lyles. But the start of the race had been delayed by a few minutes as the athletes waited on the track.
I believe, if circumstances were different, maybe if they didn't play the music so long, because I think when he got out there, he was ready. And then the music came on, and I think it kind of sat back a bit, and, was like, I guess the energy kind of went down. So maybe if the music wasn't playing so much, he would have been a lot more ready, a lot more alert to get out of the starting blocks. So, that's just my point of view. He could have won the gold medal. He could have gone below 9.77 for sure.
Is a two-time world championship 100-meter bronze medalist, says Thompson is capable of going very close to his compatriot Usain Bolt's world record.
I see Kishane going to 9.6s for sure, because this man is a beast, man. This man is powerful. People keep saying that he looks like me, he runs like me, and knowing myself and knowing what I was capable of doing, if this man actually runs and looks like me, he's capable of going 9.6s.
The 41-year-old also believes that last Sunday's 100-meter final showed that Jamaica's men's sprinting is getting back to the glory days.
100%, because if Oblique hadn't gotten, that groin injury, who knows what would have happened? So we are definitely back, in the game, and I'm happy. I'm actually happy for that, because nobody won't be asking me the question, where are the Jamaican guys? They're back. We're back.
Thompson ended an 8th-year medal drought for Jamaica in the event.